the theme from the Japanese horror movie House from 1977, written by Asei Kobayashi and Mickie Yoshino, played by the group Godiego, played in the movie about 800 times in many different speeds and fashions. I have it capoed up here on the 7th fret. Everything I say will be relative to this capo. If I say I'm playing a C, it's going to look like this, even though that's truly a G. They played in G for most of the movie. This first run starts off with a C chord and the melody. I'm mainly going to explain the bass notes and the melody notes. I do play it with an alternating bass. This first run starts with a C, and the melody's on the C, so it's C, C, E, and then you go to a C major 7, and the melody is B, B on the 2nd string, open E. You go to this F chord. I'm just playing strings 5, 4, and 3. Looks like an E moved up 1. And the melody is on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. It's an A, B, C, and then you go back to a C chord, hitting the 3rd string is your melody. So this first run is. And then you do this walk down to the F, starting at D on the 2nd string. So that's D, C, B, A sharp, A. And when you get to this A, that's when you hit your F chord. So up till now we have this. So after the walk down, A, B, C, all on the F chord, and then back to the C chord, hitting strings 3 and 2, and then you go to this D chord, hitting strings 2, 3, open 1st string, and then G chord, hitting the D for your melody on the 2nd string. So the whole first run is. And then you repeat. And this to this point, and then you go to this A6 chord. An A6 is just an A7th chord with an added F here on the 1st string, 1st fret. And then you lift off to the E note. And then it's D with an open E. And then G with an open E. And back to C chord, hitting the C note. And then it just repeats over again. like I say, they play it several different fashions, sometimes a mercy beat, sometimes with drums, sometimes on the guitar, sometimes piano, about many, many, many times throughout the movie.